This month, we're excited to share 3 new updates that make ASSISTments more intuitive, organized, and accessible than ever. Explore My Courses, a brand new look and feel to make navigating your classes simple and intuitive. Imported classes now appear as individual class cards. Each card gives you instant access to your class assignments and reports so you can spend less time searching and more time supporting your students' learning. With the new math keyboard, students can now enter equations, fractions, and symbols using a built-in keyboard. Each keyboard is grade band specific, making it easier for students to show their math thinking clearly and confidently. Our final update, Read Aloud, brings accessibility front and center. Students can now have problems, hints, and feedback read aloud to them, making the learning experience more accessible for students with visual impairments, learning disabilities, or language barriers. These updates are all about accessibility, making teaching and learning smoother for everyone. Check out our blog and user guides to explore each new feature, and be sure to tell a colleague about ASSISTments.